I'm back working on the water project. These are some 275-gallon totes. We're going to work with them today and get them situated so that the rain can go in them. We'll catch rainwater. Here we go. My first video on these plastic totes was just showing that we got them, we cleaned them out, and I put bleach water inside, and these things are nice and clean. I just pulled them out of the garage and separated the cage from the plastic tote. We're going to put the plastic totes here. Right here, I'm next to the garage, and we just finished leveling out this base and putting down landscaping fabric, and I have a piece of concrete pad on the four corners. This roll of plastic is 10 feet by 100, so we're going to cut it at 12 feet, and then we'll have a 10 by 12 foot piece. Okay, we have both totes in the back of the garage. That's the garage, solar panels over there. And we've wrapped the plastic up onto these threads a little bit. So that should work once we put the lid on. And the plastic is folded around these guys. So all that should work out. I cleaned these lids inside and out, so there shouldn't be any residual lime juice. And hopefully this is going to completely block out the light. Okay. Let's stand it up. See, oh. Yeah, that's the one. See these? Yeah, that's level. Good job. Okay, so now those. Okay. Well, this step of the process is done. We have 500 plus gallons worth of storage underneath here, and I have a shelf above, so I'll be able to still store. I had a bunch of PVC pipes and things that were stored in this area, so I'll still be able to put them up on the shelf. Concentrate on getting the gutter connection and the filters. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and share.